Hello, IOP Srivastava is going to explain, say, I am going to explain you regarding GP. What is GP, how questions are formed on it, how formula is derived, everything I am going to explain it here now. So, as you see, on the screen you must be seeing a question fully solved. But let us start from very beginning. मैं शुरू से इसको शुरू करता हूँ. So let us start it from very beginning. And I am defining what is GP. GP होता क्या है? So let me explain it as a series is said to be GP if a series said to be GP if the ratio of each preceding term and preceding term remains same. मैं ऐसा कह रहा हूं कि हर अगला टर्म और पिछले टर्म का रेशियो थ्रू आउट सेम रहता है. ऐसी सीरीज को ही हम लोग जीपी कहते हैं. अगेन आई रिपीट, a series is said to be GP if the ratio of each proceeding term and preceding term, here must be E in fact, preceding term remains same throughout the series. If say T1, T2, T3, T4 up to Tn is a geometrical series, then what I mean to say, it will be GP if T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2, T4 upon T3, that all remains same, and that is R and known as common ratio. इस सब का रेशियो हमेशा कांस्टेंट होगा. इस कांस्टेंट रेशियो को ही कॉमन रेशियो कहते हैं. इस आधार पर ऑन दिस बेसिस इफ ए इज टेकन एज द फर्स्ट टर्म, ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म and R is the common ratio, then series will be AR square, AR cube, AR power the 4 and so on. If you want to check a given series is GP or not, you take T2 upon T1. Now we got R. Again you test for T3 upon T2. Again here T3 upon T2 will give you R. So this ratio remains same throughout. So this series will be known as GP. And in general, GP is written as AR square, AR cube and so on, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Okay. Now, एक एग्जाम्पल मैं दिखा दूं. लेट मी शो मैं एन एग्जाम्पल आल्सो. मैं एग्जाम्पल दिखा देता हूं आपको. लेट मी शो एन एग्जाम्पल हियर. So I am taking an example here. Here it is. If A is 4 and R is 2, then series will be 4 plus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 cube plus 4 into 2 power the 4 and so on. अगर if you want to change it, let us change it also. मैं R का वैल्यू चलिए -2 कर देता हूं. Then series will be -2 plus -2 into 2 plus -2 into 2 square plus -2 into 2 cube, like that. If it is not clear, then let me again do it somewhere. I am making it as 3. Now it will make more clear. Now it is 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 power the 4 and so on. In nth term is 3 into 2 power the n minus 1. क्यों? Why it is? Because A is 3. A is 3 and R is 2. So by this pattern AR square, AR cube, you will get this type of series. I mean, if you get the first term and get the common ratio, to generate the series, you write first A, then AR, then AR square, then AR cube and so on. That I have done it here and got this series. So इस तरह आप AP सीरीज बना सकते हैं, GP सीरीज बना सकते हैं. चलिए, if series given your first term and common ratio is given and you are asked to find out the particular required term, then how will you find it? For that I am going to develop a formula. अगर आपको फर्स्ट टर्म दिया है, कॉमन रेशियो दिया है, तो आप कोई रिक्वायर्ड टर्म कैसे निकालेंगे उसके लिए एक मैं फॉर्मूला डेवलप कर रहा हूं, ध्यान से पढ़ें, ध्यान से देखें इसको। लेट अस सी इट। फॉर्मूला डेरिवेशन, फॉर्मूला फॉर nth term, as I mentioned it here, formula for nth term. If first term is a and common ratio is r, then you know series is ar plus ar square, like that. Means a is the first term, ar is the second term, ar square is the third term, ar cube is the fourth term. I mean to say t1 is equal to a, t2 is equal to ar, t3 is equal to ar square, t4 is equal to ar cube. बट वन थिंग यू आर मस्ट बी नोटिसिंग, आप एक जरूर चीज मार्क कर रहे होंगे, ध्यान दे रहे होंगे। अगर T1 है तो यहाँ वन का कहीं नामो निशान नहीं है, T2 है टी का कहीं नामो निशान नहीं है, T3 है तो थ्री का कहीं नामो निशान नहीं है। तो इसको मैंने थोड़ा अरेंज करने की कोशिश की। क्या लिख दिया मैंने? T1 बराबर ए इंटू आर पावर दी 1 - 1, T2 की जगह ए आर की जगह ए आर पावर दी 2 - 1। नाउ 2 एंड 2 गॉट ए करस्पॉन्डेंस। यहाँ आप टर्म वर्सेस और पावर में एक इंटरलेशन डेवलप कर गया, एक पैटर्न बन गया। यानी कि T3 है तो ए आर स्क्वायर मीन्स ए इंटू आर पावर 3 - 1, T4 है तो ए आर पावर 4 - 1। इसी पैटर्न को फॉलो किया है तो Tn क्या होगा? Tn विल बिकम ए इंटू आर पावर n-1। ए इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, आर इज द कॉमन रेशियो, एन इज द रिक्वायर्ड टर्म। तो ए इंटू आर पावर n-1, ये हो गया आपका nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला। ठीक है, चलिए इसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन भी कर देते हैं। क्वेश्चन करते हैं, लेट अस डू ए क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन इट। हियर इट इज। If the first term of GP is 3 and common ratio is 2, then find the eighth term. फर्स्ट टर्म 3 है, कॉमन रेशियो 2 है, तो एट्थ टर्म क्या होगा, कैसे निकाला जाएगा वो मैं करके दिखा रहा हूं। आई विल बी यूजिंग द सेम फॉर्मूला विच आई हैव डिराइव्ड इट। नाउ आंसर, लेट अस सी द आंसर। व्हाट इज आंसर नाउ? व्हाट इज मेंशन हियर? Obviously you see Tn is AR power the n-1 is the formula for nth term, while A first term is given as 3, common ratio is 2. So T8 we have to find out. So T8 is equal to A into R power the 8 - 1. A is 3, so it is 3 into R का वैल्यू 2 है, तो it is 2 power the 8 - 1 and 3 into 2 power the 7. And finally you got 384. That is the answer. But how I have got the answer? Same answer, because I have used the same formula. ये फॉर्मूला हमने यूज किया है। ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है जो हमें दिया था, जिसमें जीपी का फर्स्ट टर्म, ये फर्स्ट टर्म था वो 3 था और कॉमन रेशियो 2 था, एंड आई वाज आस्क्ड टू फाइंड आउट द एट्थ टर्म। आई हैव यूज्ड द फॉर्मूला T8 into AR power the 8 - 1. I have put the value and got the result. आप इस तरह से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं जो फॉर्मूला डिराइव किया है उसकी सहायता से। You can solve the question by taking the help of the formula I have derived it. Okay. Now let us do some another question also. क्वेश्चन दूसरा मैं लेता हूं। Here, in a GP, fourth term is 24, a seventh term is 192. Then find the first term and common ratio. I have an interactive mode, so let us change it. I have fifth term, and let us take it as eighth term. So in this GP, fifth term is 48, fifth term is 48, and eighth term is 384. Then find the first term and common ratio. कैसे निकाला जाएगा? What formula will be used? That all I am going to explain it here now. See answer do. Now, as you see here very well, T5 is 48, T8 is 384. You have to find out A and R. You know the formula for another term Tn is equal to AR power the n-1. So obviously T5 will be A into R power the 5 - 1, that is A into R power the 4, and but it is given as 48. So A into R power the 48, let us take it as equation number 1. and T8 is equal to AR power the 8 minus 1, that is AR power the 7, and that is given as 384. Now you got two relations or two equation. By solving this you can get the value of A and R. How? Now T8 upon T5 is equal to AR power the 7 upon AR power the 4. That is 384 upon 48, that gives you R cube R cube. So R is equal to 2, means R cube is this much. After taking the cube root of it, you will get it 2, because 384 upon 48. It is 384 upon 48 gives you cut it, you will get here 8. यहाँ आपको 8 मिलेगा, and that gives you R cube is, this implies that R cube is equal to 48, implies that R is equal to 2. This way you get the answer. Now to get the value of A, क्या करेंगे? What I will do? In AR power the 4, as you it is 48, put the value of AR and then again think over it. A into R power the 4 means A power the 16 is equal to 48, so A is equal to 48 upon 16, that is gives you 3. So answer becomes, what is the answer? First term is 3 and common ratio is 2. That is the required answer. This way you can solve the GP's required term, and you can get the first term, you can get the common ratio if the series is given. If series is not given, first term and common ratio is given, then you can find out the required term. Or if two terms are given, you can get the first term and common ratio. All this you can do by this way. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching the video. One more thing I want to tell you. If again you have a certain problem, please mail me. My mail address is this one. ये मेरा मेल एड्रेस है omrdso@gmail.com. Moreover, I have a website also. You can visit it and get lot of things there. Website name is sites.google.com/view/om gurukul. You will find each and everything there. You will get lot of videos, lot of question bank, solution, books, all these things you will get it. And all the interactive study also you will get it. You can practice it. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you want to get more and more, you visit my site, you will find there. Okay. Thank you very much.